Good morning, Toronto! Let's go! After na pala, guys, kasi 11:53 na pala ng tanghali. 3 AM na kami nakatulog kagabi, pero we got home safe. Concert was on fire. Kahit ano kami, basang-basa sa ulan, still made it. Still had fun. Team Breezy, baby! Let's go! Today, we're gonna go to Yorkdale. We're gonna do some window shopping. Maybe a little bit of shopping. Tapos, tomorrow, go home. Yeah?
I go for the...
Let's go! Ito na kami sa Yorkdale. Magsha-shopping si Madam. Yung backpack namin kasi tinapo namin kagahapon. Tinago, pero hindi na namin binalikan. Ang maganda dito, lahat ng luxury stuff na andito. Maganda. Yung fits ako. Is it nice?
Ano? O sige, mamaya na lang yan.
Saan tayo? Laki eh, no? Like, ang gusto ko dito is yung taas ng ceiling niya eh. It makes it like, wow!
Uy, bro!
Okay guys, nakabili kami ng Uniqlo for ourselves. That's it. Si Madam, nag-shopping na siya. Ayan na siya. Walang Uniqlo sa Winnipeg. Uniqlo, come to Winnipeg. I'll be your, model. Lunchtime! Actually, dinner and lunch na to. Okay guys, shopping is over. We're gonna go home.
Hi.
Hello. Let's go home.